How to use the exercise section of MyFitnesspal. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open the MyFitnesspal app on your device and make sure to log into your account. Now, if you have done your exercise and you want to track it, you want to tap on the diary option below. Here, scroll down and you have the option of add exercise. Tap on this option. Here you have three options: cardiovascular, strength, workout routines. You can select whichever exercise you have chosen today. I'm going to select cardiovascular. Once you tap on this option, here you will find the list of your history. You also have My Exercises where you can quickly add your custom exercise. You can tap on Add an Exercise option and here you can simply describe it. Now you want to enter for how long did you do this exercise. Then you want to enter how many calories did you burn. Now tap on the Save option. As you can see, this exercise has been now tracked on your diary. Further, you can tap on the More option, then scroll down and tap on the Workout Routines option. Here you can also create your own routine. For that, tap on the Build Routine option. Now here, first you want to add the routine name. If you want to add any description or notes, you can do that as well. Now tap on the Add Exercise option. From here, you can search your exercise name, or you can also have these Stop Exercise options, which you can simply select and then tap on the Add option. Once you do that, tap on the check mark option and tap on Continue. As you can see, this workout routine has now been saved, and this is how you can use the exercise section of MyFitnessPal. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.